Hi, Texans. This is how to create your schedule for the virtual career fair. I'm currently on our virtual career fair homepage. If you have not done so yet, you are going to want to register for the fair. Once you're registered for the fair, you'll be able to see all available sessions with employers. And whenever you are choosing your sessions, you can either choose between group sessions or one-on-one sessions. You can look through and filter out between if positions are full-time, part-time, internships, or during a certain amount of time. So say you have class between 2 and 3 and you only want to look at employers between 1 and 2 o'clock. You can see those results and kind of get that filtering out for you so you can see who is available during your time frame. If you would like to learn more about a session, you can click on the session and you'll be able to read a little bit about what they have to offer or if they're looking for a certain position to be filled. You can confirm and register after that, and then once you have confirmed that you are attending that session, you can see all of your confirmed sessions in your schedule. So once you click your schedule, that's where you'll see all of your confirmed sessions, and then there will also be a button to click that says join now whenever it is available for you to join the session during that scheduled time. Please don't forget that you can sign up for as many sessions as you would like. We really highly encourage you to meet with every employer that you're able to open up and expand your networks. All right, well, if you guys have any questions, please reach out to us at careers@tarleton.edu and we'll be happy to help. We hope you enjoy the fair.